Hey there, mga my loves Aquarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan, no, advance Merry Christmas mga babes. No, ngayon ay bisperas ng araw ng Kapaskuhan. Ayan, dala natin yung energies ninyo mga babes. Mga ito ba na bang mga maglilitawan dito ng mga mensahe for you guys, no? At yan, wala tayong gender dito, no? And of course, this is timeless as well. Kaya naman, just take how this resonates with you at timeless din ito. So yeah, okay, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross-watchers, you're welcome here. By the way, my name is Yan, new subscribers. Sana magstay kayo here with us. Okay, you're welcome, welcome, welcome dito sa channel na iti. So, let's see. Ano bang mga mensahe dito for you guys, no? Yan, ngayong bisperas ng Kapaskuhan at sa mga upcoming days for you guys. So, spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for my Aquarius people. Grace. Grace. Medyas na stripes, hindi ko alam kung Adidas yan. Hindi po kayo endorser ng Adidas mga babes, no? Medyas na may stripes, no? Okay. This could be a reading. If wala, okay lang. Nakita kasi natin, kaya natin minention. Grace. This is for Aquarius. Just gathering up the energies for you guys. Para makuha natin kung ano ba yung mga tamang mensahe rito. Yan. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. Aquarius. Aquarius. Have here the Two of Wands. Could be traveling. Ooh, wow. Hangman in here. Going on a date. Alam mo, dalawa na kukuha ko dyan. Either meron ka ritong lakad, whether that's lakad na planado or lakad na hindi planado, pero may pag-travel rito, like literally pagbiyahe, transportasyon, any transportation, any vehicle would do, kasakay ng bus, or magta-travel, babiyahe yan. Doesn't have to be na malayo, pero pwede. Yung iba sa ibang bansa kayo pupunta or whatever, doesn't have to be today, pero nakikita ko rito na may pag-travel, no? At malaki ang kinalaman ng travel na yan. So, either mamimit mo dyan ang lumalabas kasi dito may bagong love life or new energy, new connection, potential lover for you, Aquarius, no? Kaya nga lang ikaw to, no, na either hindi ko alam kung tinatamad ka, no, or ikaw to na parang meron kang energy na um, ipagpaliban. Yan. So, parang ganun. So, whatever the case may be, either tinatamad kang bumiyahe or pumunta doon or hindi mo talaga gustong pumunta doon pero matatagpuan mo ang pag-ibig mo doon, especially if you're looking here for love. So, yun nga mga babes, no? At yung iba sa inyo, wala kayong kaalam-alam. Kung hindi yan mga babes pagbiyahe sa malayo or whatever, no? Pwede kasi may kinalaman yan sa trabaho, no? Siyempre sa trabaho, hindi naman palaging gusto mo, no? Lalo na kung hindi ikaw ang boss. Aquarius, ikaw nga yung pumunta doon kasi may meeting ako ngayon eh. Yan, yung mga ganon, yung boss mo. Oo, sa channel na 'to ako rin po yung sound effects pati na rin yung sa mga example. Yes, no? Yun nga mga babes, nakikita ko rito na meron ditong unexpected or yung iba pwedeng expected nyo naman pero pwedeng tinatamad kayo or ipagpaliban nyo yan. Yan, no? So, nakita ko rito na may bagong pag-ibig kayo matatagpuan. Yung iba, mga babes, nakikita ko rito na meron kayo rito makakadate kaso ikaw to na tinatamad or either nagdadalawang isip ka. Especially if this is a new energy. You're going on a date here with someone. So baka pinag-iisipan mo kung pupunta ka ba sa date na yan or wag na lang kasi it could be a waste of time. Parang ganun. So, see? The lovers. Ano man yung matatagpuan mo doon, isa itong pag-ibig. No? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Okay. Dadalawang isip ka pa diyan, pero maganda yan kasi tingnan mo, oh, yang tao na yan, no, ang magiging swerte or lucky charm mo. See? Empress is right here. This person, no, is magdadala rito ng buhos ng biyaya sa'yo. Exactly. This meeting right here, no, na pwedeng dadalawang isip ka pinag-is. Alam mo kasi kung ba't ka ganyan? Okay, kasi ikaw to na hindi ka naman as in tamad ha. Pero ikaw to na ayaw mo kasi yung nasasayang yung oras mo. Okay? Pero yun nga, lumalabas ka rin kasi dito bilang Empress Energy, no? Pwedeng busy ka kasing tao, no? Pero kapag ka naglaan ka ng time para makapag-isip-isip, no, nakikita ko rito na pwede mo tong bigyan ng chance based on your intuition. Okay? This new love, yung iba nasa buhay nyo na to, nangyari na to. Pero this person here, pwedeng hindi mo pa nare-realize, no, kung na-meet mo na yan, hindi mo pa nare-realize ng bongacious na yung tao na yan ang magiging lucky charm mo, ang swerte mo, na parang siyang, alam mo yung nakatay ng keychain sa bag, keychain mga babes, hindi kitchen. Keychain, yan, no? Yung mga sinasabit sa bag, no? So, ito yung magiging lucky charm mo. Yung tao na yan, ang magiging lucky charm mo. Magdadala ng biyaya, no, at saya sa buhay mo. A lot of satisfaction, a lot of contentment coming from this person here that will enter your life soon if hindi pa siya rito dumarating sa buhay mo. Yung iba, marirealize mo na yan, no, with the upcoming days right here. Especially if magkakaroon ka rito ng free time sa sarili mo like relaxation, um, yung resting ka lang, no, yung kalmado ka, no, kasi you're a busy person. Yan, no. But you're not chasing, okay? You're not chasing anything right here, okay? Maraming opportunities ka kasing inaasikaso, no? May kinalaman sa money, marami ka rin ditong goals, and you have lots of schedules, no? Doesn't have to be na pinuno nyo na yung planner nyo. But I'm seeing that you're a busy person. You do not want to waste your time. Yes. Okay? So yeah, see, your date is coming up. Okay? Ikaw to na maaaring nape-pressure ka or nag-iintay ka rito ng desisyon galing sa sarili mo kung pupunta ka ba sa date na yan or sa travel na yan or mag-go ka ba dyan sa plano na yan or whatever. Impressed together with this Three of Wands energy, and you've got dalawang threes right here, which is an indication of there's balance in here. So, ibig sabihin, no, nakikita ko rito na kung ano man yan na nagdo-doubt ka ngayon, no, nakikita ko rito na yun yung magdadala rito, no, ng change, positive change sa buhay mo, Aquarius. No? It may happen, not necessarily this New Year's Eve, but could be, pero nakikita ko rito, no, that with the calendar in there, nakikita ko na nalalapit na itong mangyari, no. This person loves mountains and seas, so ibig sabihin pwedeng isa siyang nature lover, no, or mahilig siyang mag-take ng photos ng landscapes, no, or nature vibe, ganyan, no. But I'm also getting this kind of energy that this person here might not be an ecologist. Ecologist! Pero nakikita ko na malinis siya, no, organized siya, no, tidy siya, no, sa paligid niya. Okay? Ayaw niya as much as possible ng kalat or baka ikaw yon. Kita natin here. Have here the King of Cups. See? Told ya guys, this is someone here that you will have this very soulful, very calm energy. Like, alam mo yung feeling na I can trust this person. Okay, I can entrust this person here ng heart ko, ng life ko. This is someone here, okay, mga babes, so na pwedeng mahilig sa coffee or baka meron siya ritong usual everyday na iniinom like tea or coffee. Yan. Like, ano niya yun, parang way to relax, no? Yan. So, I'm seeing purple or lavender. So, maring favorite color niyo yun or niya. Okay? But I do sense this kind of calmness into this person's energy. Hindi siya mabilis magalit, no? At nakikita ko rito na willing siya rito makipag-commit sa'yo, like marriage it is. I'm seeing this ring. Oo, tinan mo, no? kahit na magkakilala pa lang kayo, no, it's like a promise right here na magiging faithful siya sa'yo, no, up until um, you've reached dito na makapag-decide, no, na patuloyin siya rito sa iyong life talaga, no. This person has lots of money. I'm seeing that this person here is someone who is independent, someone that is um what's this, mayaman siya, no? Not just sa kanya rito na successful, okay? Successful, no? Mayaman siya rito sa mga resources na meron siya. No? Tsaka meron siyang guts. Very impressive yung background niya rito. Like literally, I'm seeing here a malaking tao kind of thing, Aquarius. No? This is someone who has that brain, intelligent, matalino, hardworking, pero hindi mayabang. Yan. And I'm seeing that this person here, magugulat ka, no? Kasi ito hindi para sa lahat, pero nakikita ko na pwedeng mahilig siya sa crystals or mahilig rin siyang manood ng tarot or naniniwala siya, kind of thing, no? Sa tarot, no? And everything connected or related to it, just like you. Yan, no? Or meron siya rito na parang sa newspaper, no? Tinitingnan niya yung zodiac sign area, no? Wherein it's gonna happen for today, kind of thing. Di ba sa newspaper, yes, may ganon. This person is updated, okay? And I do pick up, no, na alam niya yung mga balita and what's happening everywhere. So, definitely, yun yung nakukuha ko dito sa kanya. Bongga yun na, ang dami nating nakuha ang information. No? See, 12 cups energy. This is the person here, no, na magtatangay ng puso ng isang empress. I'm seeing you building a family with this person. Marriage is really ringing into my ears, no? So, it doesn't have to be na ikakasal kayo this 2024, pero may capable kayo, no? Na magkaroon na rito ng grand wedding if you want that. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na mag-travel kayo, mga babes, no? At hindi nyo alam for some reason kung ba't hinihila kayo. Kasi kaya kayo ganyan. Nagdadalawang isip kayo. Kasi merong force na parang hindi nyo ma-explain no, na hinihila kayo na nag-gumo kayo or pumunta kayo doon, Aquarius. No? Kasi love of your life, okay? Mamimit mo doon. Yan. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, yan, maaring meron siyang pinapagawang bahay doon or meron siyang, ano to, bibilihin na lupa doon or may binili siyang lupa, whatever. So whatever the case may be, this person will definitely, okay, I'm seeing a home, definitely will share his or her home with you. Okay, so this person here, hindi ko nakikita. Alam mo, napakaganda, no? Napakabalanse ng inyong magiging connection ng person na to, Aquarius. Kasi you are the Empress and this person is the King of Cups. I'm seeing you loving each other, no, to the extent that no one will get hurt. That kind of feeling. You just trust this person here and this person will trust you as well. And nakikita ko dito, no, na medyo pihikan ka, pero mapofall ka sa kanya. Yes, because you're gonna feel that this is your person. This is someone here that you're gonna grow old with. Yan. Okay? So ngayon, I think kaya ka ganyan, it is because marami kang inaasikaso rito, no? Or you feel like na parang um, baka it's just a waste of time, but go ahead, no? Sundin mo rito yung intuition mo. Okay? Bis ka kasi when it comes to your work pentacles or baka may business ka or baka both meron ka niyan because you are the Empress. And also, I'm picking up right here that magkakaroon ka rito ng heart-to-heart talk with your parents, someone who is matured or older than you. Pwede rin naman na ate, kuya mo, no? Or pinsan mo na mas matanda sa'yo. Ganun yung vibe, no? Pero ang nakakaloka, ikaw pa yung magbibigay ng advice. Magkakaroon ng heart-to-heart talk, heart-to-heart talk, heart-to-heart talk no, between you and your parent or someone here na mas matanda sa inyo, pero ikaw yung magbibigay sa kanya rito ng advice at comfort, no? Yun ang nakikita ko right here, no? Ang ganda kasi ang ganda lang ng vibe, no? Kasi nakikita ko na matutulungan and this person will listen to you talaga. Ayan. And also, there is something here coming that you do not see, no? Nakita ko dito, Aquarius, no, that with the first quarter of 2024, I'm seeing right here that there is some kind of a special project. Yan, no? Sabihin niba, Miss, yan business yung sa akin, ba't ako magkakaroon ng project, no? Project is just a term, mga babes, no? Pero meron ditong opportunity, okay? Nakakatok rito sa pintuan ninyo. This opportunity is really a present or a gift for you, okay? Coming from the universe, okay? From your angels and spirit guides right here. So this opportunity right here is related to your coins, money, and pentacles. There is some kind of an offer knocking at your door, which is I do feel like that you will feel that there's something positive in it. There is some kind of a chit chat or talk coming from a friend or someone close to you, no? Na pwedeng bisitahin kanya. Okay, just like how this resonates. Magkikita kayo, no? Usapang kamustahan lang, pero meron siyang mababanggit dito na oportunidad, and I'm seeing you giving it a go, giving it a try, taking chance to it. Okay? So, wow, ang ganda nun. Kasi alam mo, I'm getting that after talking about that, no, I'm seeing a very good flow, no, a flood, pero hindi yung maduming flood. It's like flood, no, na parang this will have this kind of very drastic, no, changes, yet very positive pagdating sa kaperahan mo. So, I'm seeing you grabbing it, no, and why not? Kung sino man yun, pinagkakatiwalaan mo yung tao na yun. Wow! So claim and receive this Aquarius beautiful messages for you guys. Thank you so much coming from your angels and spirit guides, guardians and ancestors that loves and concerns sa'yo. Thank you so much, honey. Sarang hayo, love and light. Advance Merry Christmas, Aquarius. Annyeong!